In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. First, what you need to do is open up your settings. To do that, click on the search icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Settings, then tap on Settings. Once your settings window is open, head over to the left side panel and click on Apps. In the Apps section, click on Installed Apps at the top. It will take a moment to load all of your installed apps on your computer. Now you can find the app you want to uninstall. You can either scroll through the list, use the search bar, or even apply filters and categories to find it more easily. Once you find the app you want to remove, head over to the right side and click on three dots and then click on Uninstall. You'll need to press Uninstall again to confirm. The process of uninstalling apps may vary depending on the app. Some apps will uninstall immediately, while others may show an uninstall wizard where you'll need to click Next or Uninstall again to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled an app on Windows 11.